Hi everyone, welcome to a new After Effects tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this cartoon background logo animation. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, first up let's create a new composition and I will call this base animation. Full HD resolution, 20 frames per second and 10-second duration. Let's hit OK. First up, let's add our shape layer. So right click, new, shape layer. Now go to this shape layer, add, and here we can add rectangle, ellipse, polystar or path. For this tutorial I will go with ellipse. Let's also add a stroke and I will create a keyframe for the ellipse path size. So make sure you're in the 0 second, create a keyframe, go to stroke and create a keyframe for the stroke width as well. I will set both of these values to 0. Select this layer and press U to reveal all the keyframe. Okay, perfect. Now go to 1 second forward and set size value to 6000. Stroke width to maybe around 1800. I previously played with this value, that's why I know these values, okay? You guys can experiment with these values if you want. And now go to 12 frames forward and set this value to 0 again. Now we should have a simple animation like this. Now select all the keyframes and press F9 on the keyboard to each these keyframes. Now go to graph editor. I will select the stroke width. Right click, make sure you're in the value graph and I will set the graph like this. Also select the size. Let's give it a curve like that. Okay, nice. Let's go back to the timeline. Now let's rename this layer. So if you select this layer and press enter on your keyboard, we can rename it. I will call this stroke 1. Now press Ctrl D to duplicate. Press U on your keyboard. Let's do some adjustment to these values. For this one, I will go with 3000 and stroke width to maybe around 800. Let's see. Okay, that should work. Now Ctrl D to duplicate again. Press U on your keyboard to reveal all the keyframes and set this size to around 600 maybe. And also set the stroke width to 200 for this one. Okay, that should work. Now for the last keyframe, just drag it here so it will quickly in the stroke like that. It will help later. Okay, perfect. Now as you can see, it's all the ellipse, but we can add different shapes if you want. If you go to stroke 1, let's open this up. Go to add, there nice effect called pucker and blot. Let's select it and open this up. As you can see, we can get a different result. For this one, I will go with a shape like this, okay? You can also go to stroke 2, this one, and also add some dashes if you want. It will add some dashes like that. Okay, that looks good. Now we have a base animation, but let's give some rotation using transform effect. So right click, new, adjustment layer, and I will call this FX. Let's go to Windows, Effect and Preset, and search for transform. Let's double click. Go to 0 second, create a keyframe for the rotation. Now let's go to 2 second. Let's rotate it 1. Press U so it will reveal all the keyframe. As you can see, we should have an animation like this. Okay, perfect. Now let's drag and drop this to a new comp. I will name this main animation. In here, let's add fill effect. I will give you guys a nice site for the color palette. You guys can choose whatever color palette you want. For this tutorial, I will go with this color palette. I will put both of these links. It's the same site. Okay, select this color palette, go to there and click. It will copy the hex code. And I will go to After Effects again. Select the fill layer and I will Ctrl V to paste it. As you can see, now we paste it. Now we can select this layer and Ctrl D to duplicate. Again, go to color palette. Let's pick this green color. Go to After Effects and Ctrl V to paste it. Now as you can see, all the colors are in the same position, but we can offset this. Go to 0 second, press shift page down on your keyboard. Okay, it will go 10 frame forward. So let's offset this layer by 10 frame. And I will press shift page down again. Let's keep offset. We can also offset the base animation if we want. Let's go to 0 second, go to 5 frame forward, press page down 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can offset like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that. Now if we check main animation, we should have animation like that. Okay. Let's also add a background. Right click, new, solid, and I will pick this yellow color and let's call this BG. As you can see, really cool animation. Go to 4 seconds and press N on the keyboard to in the comp here. You guys can add a text or logo, your logo. I will put my logo here and press S to scale it down. I will add a scale animation, so create a keyframe. And in the 3 seconds, I will create a keyframe again. Go to previous keyframe and set this value to 0. Now we have scaled this up. Let's trim this layer right there. Select these keyframes, press F9, and I will go to graph editor. Give some curve like that. Let's also give some different color for the logo. I will add fill effect again. For this one, let's give this green color. Let's pick it like that and it should work. Something like that. You can also add a posterize time effect. Right click, new, adjustment layer, and I will call this FX. And go for effect and preset, search for posterize time. This will give a frame by frame animation look, so I will give it to a frame. As you can see, it's like stop motion, and that's basically it. I hope you guys learned something new in this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like button. That's really helped out the channel. Also, thank you so much for the Patreon supporters, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.